How to use ChatGPT, a beginner's guide. Hello, and welcome. Are you a small business owner looking to dive into the world of ChatGPT? Do you want to know how ChatGPT works and a step-by-step plan on how to use it? Well, you've come to the right place. ChatGPT is the perfect solution for enhancing customer support, creating engaging content, and gaining valuable business insights. So, let's not waste any more time and jump right in to discover what this amazing tool is all about. Section 1. Overview of OpenAI. Firstly, allow me to provide you with an overview of OpenAI, the brilliant minds behind the creation of ChatGPT. OpenAI is an extraordinary AI research laboratory dedicated to the advancement and advocacy of friendly AI for the greater good of mankind. Their work focuses on AI research and development, aiming to ensure that artificial general intelligence, AGI, which refers to highly autonomous systems that can outperform humans in economically valuable work, benefits everyone in our global community. As a small business owner, it is crucial to understand the underlying values behind the tools you select to incorporate into your operations. Rest assured that OpenAI is not only deeply committed to prioritizing safety and reliability but also dedicated to achieving remarkable scalability. OpenAI's mission is not just about creating powerful AI models. They also work to make sure that AI technology is used responsibly and ethically. This commitment to ethical practices sets OpenAI apart from other organizations in the field. Section 2. Understanding ChatGPT. Let's explore what ChatGPT is and how it works now that we understand OpenAI's impressive progress. ChatGPT is an advanced conversational model meticulously designed to understand and generate human-like text based on the prompts it receives. ChatGPT uses a sophisticated set of algorithms to understand your input and generate responses that simulate natural human conversation. Each input you provide goes through an intricate series of processes, ensuring that the output closely resembles an authentic conversation. But how exactly does this remarkable feat occur? Let's break it down step by step. Input processing. When you enter your message, ChatGPT's main job is to understand what you're saying using advanced natural language processing (NLP) techniques. It analyzes the words and phrases you have used to extract the essence of your message. Contextual understanding. Drawing upon its extensive training in a wide range of internet texts, ChatGPT leverages its knowledge to grasp the context of the conversation and accurately predict a relevant response. It looks for patterns and similarities in previous conversations to provide a meaningful and contextually appropriate answer. Generating response. Once the context is grasped, ChatGPT employs powerful machine learning algorithms to generate a response that aligns with what it believes your intentions are. It uses its vast knowledge base and understanding of language to craft a response that seems natural and human-like. Output delivery. The response generated is subsequently returned to you in a conversational manner, providing an experience that closely resembles interacting with a real person. This delivery method aims to enhance the flow of conversation and facilitate your interaction with the AI model. To make this process even clearer, let's go through an example. Imagine you're seeking suggestions from ChatGPT on how to improve the user experience of your website. Step 1. You input. How can I make my website more user-friendly? This prompts ChatGPT to start processing your request. Step 2. ChatGPT analyzes keywords like user-friendly and website, understanding that you're seeking advice related to design enhancements. It uses its vast database of information to find patterns and suggestions that have worked well in similar situations. Step 3. Utilizing its vast training data, ChatGPT generates actionable tips such as simplifying navigation or optimizing page load speeds. These suggestions are based on its understanding of what makes a website user-friendly and its ability to provide practical recommendations. Step 4. You get a helpful list of suggestions that are customized for your query. These suggestions give you valuable insights to improve your website's user experience. With these suggestions in hand, you can now take steps towards improving your website's usability and customer satisfaction. Section 4. How does ChatGPT work? Now that we have a basic understanding of ChatGPT, let's delve into how this remarkable AI model actually functions. Data gathering. The journey of ChatGPT begins with the collection of an immense amount of textual data from diverse sources. This vast dataset serves as the foundation for AI's understanding and comprehension of human language. Training. The collected data is carefully used to train ChatGPT and help it understand the complex patterns, nuances, and structure of language. Through this phase, ChatGPT develops its ability to generate coherent and contextually appropriate responses. Fine-tuning. After the initial training, ChatGPT embarks on a thorough fine-tuning process to sharpen its contextual comprehension and guarantee even more precise and reliable responses. Interaction. Once sufficiently trained and fine-tuned, the ChatGPT model is ready to interact with users. When you input a message, ChatGPT processes it and generates a response based on its extensive training and learned knowledge. Learning. Every time ChatGPT interacts with someone, it gains the ability to learn and enhance its responses. This enables it to adapt and offer even more exceptional assistance in future interactions. Section 5. Getting started with ChatGPT. To begin using ChatGPT for your business, follow these steps. Signing up. To embark on your ChatGPT adventure, start by exploring the official OpenAI website. There, you'll find a convenient sign-up process to create your account, setting the stage for your exhilarating journey with ChatGPT. Once on OpenAI.com, locate and click on the prominent Sign Up button. Enter your email address and create a secure password that safeguards your account. Follow the straightforward verification process to activate your account and gain access to all the incredible features offered by OpenAI. Accessing ChatGPT. After successfully signing up, log into your OpenAI account using your unique credentials. Within your account dashboard, navigate to the list of impressive products provided by OpenAI. Find and choose ChatGPT from the list. It's an easy-to-use chat interface that lets you have smooth and effective conversations with AI. Using ChatGPT, type in a question or statement related to your business needs or any topic of interest that requires insights from AI. Once ready, hit the Enter key or click Send to submit your query and patiently await the response from ChatGPT. Continue the conversation and explore several aspects or seek further clarification whenever needed. Section 6. Setting up ChatGPT. Setting up ChatGPT for your small business is a straightforward process. Let's break it down into some actionable steps that will help you get started. Research providers. Start by conducting thorough research on different platforms that provide integration with ChatGPT. Compare their features, pricing plans, and suitability for your unique business requirements. Sign up and set up. Once you've identified a suitable provider, create an account with them. Follow their comprehensive setup guide to seamlessly integrate ChatGPT into your existing systems. Customization. Tailor the AI's responses to align with your business tone, brand identity, and customer service policies. Train ChatGPT with specific knowledge about your products or services to enhance its accuracy and relevance. Testing. Prior to going live, thoroughly test the system to ensure it meets your desired requirements and delivers the desired outcomes. Gather feedback from test users and make necessary adjustments to optimize performance. Launch. When you are happy with how well your ChatGPT integration works and what it can do, you should start using it on your customer service channels. Continuously monitor its performance, gather user feedback, and make necessary improvements to enhance user satisfaction. Section 7. Use case scenarios. Customer service. Automate responses to frequently asked questions about your products or services, providing efficient and effective support to your customers. Input common customer queries regarding features, pricing, or troubleshooting. Receive well-crafted responses from ChatGPT that can be incorporated into your FAQ section or utilized within intelligent chatbot systems. This allows you to save time and resources while still providing excellent customer service. Content creation. Discover creative concepts for blog articles, captivating social media posts, or any written material that seamlessly corresponds with your business goals. Input a request such as, "I need blog post ideas for a vintage clothing shop." Receive an array of exciting and engaging topics that can inspire and fuel your content creation efforts. This helps you overcome writer's block and ensures that your content remains fresh and relevant. Business planning. Seek expert advice on various aspects of business strategy or decision-making processes, empowering yourself with invaluable insights. Input specific queries related to business growth, marketing strategies, or market analysis. Maximize the effectiveness of your business plans by harnessing the comprehensive answers offered by ChatGPT. Utilize these detailed insights as a strong foundation to shape and inform your strategies with confidence. This ensures that you make informed decisions based on AI-generated insights. Product descriptions. Elevate the quality of your online catalog by generating compelling product descriptions that captivate attention and drive sales. Enter features and brand style info into ChatGPT. Receive unique product descriptions that resonate deeply with your target audience while reflecting the authentic voice of your brand. This enhances your online presence and helps potential customers make informed purchase decisions. Email campaigns. Create highly personalized email marketing campaigns that effectively engage your customers and drive conversions. Input specific target customer demographics along with details about the type of promotion you're running. Obtain creative email templates from ChatGPT that can be fully customized to meet the specific needs of your campaign. This allows you to deliver tailored messages that resonate with your audience, boosting engagement and sales. Market research. Leverage the conversational capabilities of ChatGPT to effectively conduct surveys and engage in meaningful conversations, aiding in the collection of valuable market research data. Utilize this data to gain a deeper understanding of your target audience and make data-driven business decisions. Feedback collection. Leverage ChatGPT as a powerful tool for gathering customer feedback efficiently and effectively. Seamlessly collect valuable insights that can drive improvements in your products or services. Conclusion. And there you have it. A comprehensive beginner's guide designed to equip you with all the necessary knowledge to embark on your ChatGPT journey. Remember, as with any tool, practice makes perfect. The more you interact with ChatGPT, the better you will understand its capabilities and limitations. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful guides like this. Don't hesitate, take the leap, and see for yourself the incredible capabilities of this AI assistant. Experience firsthand how it effortlessly revolutionizes customer interactions and streamlines your business operations.